this video, we are going to explain about credit card fraud detection using the CNN. The prevalence of credit card fraud poses a significant threat to individuals and financial institutions worldwide. To combat this issue, developing a credit card fraud detection system is crucial. However, this transformation also led to an increase in credit card fraud, resulting in a significant loss of money. The project specifically focuses on credit card fraud and its occurrence when an individual other than the cardholder performs legitimate transactions using the credit card or card details. The main objective of this project is use the CNN and decision tree algorithms to predict the credit card fraud transaction, and to implement this project we have used the credit card fraud dataset from the Kaggle website. This dataset contains nearly 3 lakhs records, and out of that we take the 500 records or fraud transaction records, and to avoid this class imbalance problem we have used the smooth algorithm. The basic requirements we needed to build this project are Windows as an operating system, the processor of i5 and above, RAM of 4 GB and above, hard disk of 20 GB and above. Software requirements. We used the Python IDEL with the version of 3.7. To implement this project, we developed the 6 modules. The first module is upload the credit card fraud dataset. In this module, we will upload the dataset that consisting of the credit details and the pre-process of the dataset. In this module, we will read the all dataset and then remove the missing values, and then apply the class imbalance algorithm called smooth to make the dataset with equal number of classes. Process the dataset will be split into the train and testing the data, and the training will be used for the training the algorithms, and the test data will be used to compute the algorithm's performance. And then the third module is train the decision tree algorithm. In this module, we will train the decision tree algorithm with processed dataset, which is recursively splits the data based on the feature conditions, enabling the interpretable decision making and classification. And the fourth module is train the CNN algorithm. In this module, the CNN algorithm will process the dataset and then calculate the precision, recall, F1 score, and accuracy and confusion matrix. And the fifth module is the comparison graph. In this module, we will plot the confusion matrix between the two algorithms. And then the sixth module and the final module is upload test data and the predict fraud. In this module, we will upload the test data and the CNN will predict whether the test data contains the normal or fraud transactions. The execution of this project. We need to double click on run.bat file and we get the screen like this. In this screen, click the Upload Credit Card Fraud Dataset button and select the credit card. We get the graph like this, and this it loaded that normal and fraud transaction count. In this graph, you can see there is a lots of normal transaction and a very few fraud transaction, and this is called the class imbalance. And to solve this problem, we need to process the dataset. For this, we need to click on pre-process dataset button. Here, the dataset is pre-processed by removing the missing values, and also to remove the imbalance problem we used the smooth algorithm. In this dataset we used the 50,000 records where 40,000 for training and 10,000 for testing. And now dataset train and test part is ready, and then we click the train decision tree algorithm button. Here it shows the confusion matrix with an accuracy of 94.88. This confusion matrix see the fraud and normal transactions values in this form of confusion matrix. And now click on Train CNN Algorithm button. Here it also shows an confusion matrix, and close the graph. It gives an accuracy of 99.76, precision of 99.7 and recall of 99.7, F1 score of 99.7. And click on the comparison graph button here, and it gives the graph for both the techniques of CNN and decision tree in the x-axis and the values assigned on the y-axis. And we can see that CNN gives the accurate result than that of the decision tree and the form of graph. And click on Upload Test Data and Predict Fraud button, and select the test data from this folder and click on Open button. And here we can see that some transactions use the fraud transaction is predicted as a result, and for some transaction it gives a normal transaction is predicted. In this way we can detect the credit card fraud by using the CNN. We conclude that it states that the convolutional neural network model for credit card fraud detection has been successfully implemented using the smooth sampling technique to address the imbalanced dataset. The proposed model has achieved the high accuracy, precision and recall compared to the other existing studies.
For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.